One of these problems is when lines are offset. To clean them up, select one of the points and then use the shortcut Ctrl++ to increase the range of selected points. By pressing Ctrl+I, invert the selection, and then use the shortcut X to choose the Dissolve Unselected option. To connect places where lines are separated, first, after selecting the points of the separated lines, press Ctrl+J once to create a default line. Then, in the Joint Selection window, from the Type drop-down, select Joint and Copy to automatically fill this gap. In the same mode, in places where we need to smooth lines and their curves, after selecting the points, right-click and choose Subdivide to increase their number. To simply increase the number of points, use the shortcut Shift+R. Here, as in the first solution, we easily fix the problem of offset lines, and then, by selecting the desired material and color, we fill the inner space of the design with color. Please support this channel by subscribing, liking, and commenting so you don't miss other useful tips. Thank you for the time you spent watching this tutorial.